Hi everyone, it's my music streaming app which I done in Figma. So let's discuss something about this. At first I done a navbar kind of thing, there are categories, discover my playlist settings. In discovery, I created trending popular artist podcast videos downloads and etc. After this, let's come to the middle of this project. Here at start we have a search button, value written like what do you want to listen, and then we have start browsing. So let's click and go into this. So when I click this, here screen came with some workout, techno, quiet hours, deep focus, and all the songs related to workout are present here. It's make user easy to to s- like to go into this if he or she is working, and that's it. Let's go back, and at down we have categories if user wants to listen mass songs, he can click into the mass songs, and related songs will be appear here. Below that we have playlist, artist, albums, streams and favorites. Now playlist is on screen, and below that we have some popular playlist, interested or favorite artist. Okay, then let's come to the another part of this app. At first we have profile. When I click into that, profile will be appear, and here are some following followers there, and click sign in option. So if you forgot the password, just go ahead with forgot password, or you want to continue with OTP, then go ahead with sign in with OTP. If you don't have account, then press to the create account. After creating it, then go back. That's it. And here in my favorites we have hot hits, melodies, nighttime and good vibes. And as of now I want to listen melody song, then I will press this and the space will be appear here. We can listen some melody songs, and just let's go back to this. And here another option is also there, like premium subscription. This is the monthly plan. Like mini it's 15 per month, for medium it's 25 per month, and for premium it's 50 per month. And according to that we will get facilities. And also we have yearly plan subscription, you can say it. Okay, now let's go back, and it's all about music streaming app. Thank you.